If you have a throttle body like this, you do not want to take it apart. We'll get a close-up of it so you can see what it looks like, but do not take these clips off. The way this thing is made, you will damage it. If you have a Bosch throttle body like this, you do not want to take it apart. You do not want to take these clips off. I know from experience. I damaged one by taking this apart. I took this in here apart. This one right here. Took this one apart. Just undid the clips just enough to spread it apart so I could tape around it, so I wouldn't have any red paint on my black. And what did I do? I damaged my throttle body and had to buy another one. This is number 3, by the way. And the second one they shipped me was sent in a plastic bag. No kind of padding on it. This is basically like a very delicate piece of equipment. You drop it and you're done. You got to ship it like you do a hard drive. It's got to have some padding around it. Okay, this type of throttle body right here, you do not want to take it apart. How you identify it? This goes onto 3.0 Chevy V6, goes on a 3.6 V6. This is how you identify it right here. You have the plug-in right here. It's a 6-pin connector. And you identify it by the way it's made. It has this little cover right here that is put on after the fact, after it's put together. See how you got 4 pins here that comes from your pin connector. It goes over here to this area. See here, here. 6-pin connector goes 2 over here on the motor. We'll get into that here a little bit. So you don't want to take these clips off. And I'm going to show you why right here. This is one that I took apart. You cannot take this apart unless you grind this off. This is your throttle body position sensor right here. So it's got 4 tracks on this thing that 4 fingers slide on. See how it moves across? So it runs across like that. It tells the computer where the throttle plate is. Here's wide open right here. What they did and the way they made this, when they put this together, they pressed this little piece on there, and it won't come off. They pressed it on there, and this is the sensor part right here that runs across these, basically a potentiometer. So the reason why you don't want to take this apart is because you pop these clips off of here, and this thing is going to stay put. It ain't going nowhere because it's pressed onto here, and you'll damage these little fingers right here. But I can, this one's junk. I mean, I'm going to save it for parts, because the only thing the whole throttle body is still good except for this black piece right here. Basically the electronics. And these are, you're better off just buying a used throttle body than trying to replace this part. Because this is basically junk. I mean, there's no really way you could ever replace this because of the way it's made. This plate is glued on after this is pressed on. Let's see, here's another look at this one. I thought maybe you might be able to get up under there and pop it off, but no. I wanted to make this video so somebody else don't make the mistake that I did. Save you $50 anyway. So if you decide to paint your throttle body, then I guess you could just tape around these. I can show you this real quick. This one is junk, but I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. I'm going to pop these clips off of here. I about hit the camera lens. Okay, got one more. Okay, we're going to attempt to take this apart. See? You can't take it apart. It came apart because I've already had it apart. This piece popped back off, but it took a lot to get it off. But see the 4 fingers on there? Yeah, this gear's still good, the motor's still good. These other gears over here are still good. Basically all this part right here is still good. So I'm gonna throw it up in the cabinet and just save it in case I need it for something else, in case I got one that's got stripped gears or something on it. It still has some value, but we're gonna get this one back on the car. Gonna get the codes cleared on it. I'll get you a close up of this real quick. See how that's made? So you got 4 circuits there. Basically a potentiometer. It has different values as you come across. And it's got 4 different levels. So if this thing gets all bent up, then it's not going to work right. So this one is junk. So don't try to temporarily fix one of these and then try to get out on the highway and run. Because if this thing here pops back off, then you're going to be in you're probably going to be in reduced power anyway, because it's not going to run right. Even if you do try to. I temporarily fixed it because it was in my driveway, because I needed to get it out of my driveway so I could put the other car back in here. When you get all kind of codes on this throttle body, you're going to have reduced engine power. You're going to have like 7 other throttle body codes. It'll say throttle position sensor and throttle this, throttle that. So if you got a meter, you can look them up, but I knew right away that I messed up my throttle body because it was fine before I painted it. So just a quick video to let you know that this type of throttle body, you do not want to take it apart. So that's another look of it. So you got your plug in here, right here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips on it. Main thing to keep an eye out on is this is the Bosch, and it has this like a D shape. Just think of it that way, a D shape fitting up here, a D shape little container here. That's an easy way to recognize it. You can see the inside of it. It still don't show the actual ribbon, but you can see how it runs through there. Here's your 2 connectors for the motor, 12-volt motor. That's for this motor. It runs the gear and opens up the throttle plate. But the reason why you don't want to take this apart is because this throttle position sensor, this is it right here. It's got the 4 fingers on it. It is pressed onto this right here. See, I had to cut all this out in order to get to this. See, it's pressed. This throttle position sensor, see, it's got 4 fingers on it. It sits in here and it's pressed in there. When you pull this off, this piece is going to stay put. It's not going anywhere. So if you got a throttle body that looks like this, see how it's shaped? You got this part right here. This is put on after the electronics is put on. So this type of throttle body, you do not want to take it apart. I took mine apart just to paint it along with my intake manifold. This LLT engine, and you damaged the electronics on this. So see how that works. See, that's wide open right there. It lets the computer know where your throttle plate is. And if you go pulling this off, and this is going to stay put, see, any kind of movement on that is going to damage these little fingers on here. And I already had it damaged, so I really pulled it off in order to get this taken apart. So okay, I'm going to end this video, and just keep in mind this type of throttle body, you do not want to take them apart. If you do, you're going to wind up buying another one. So thanks for watching.